take my hair. I'll tell her.
I ain't gonna.
Okay.
Days and shit.
Okay, just schedule. I don't care when you come back. I don't know you.
Yeah, I am. If she let me.
I know you.
But I'm gonna ask her first.
Okay. I'll tell you.
I'm trying to get really loaded today.
I'm telling you, she's gonna tell you yes.
I told Marty we were gonna take a selfie. They are gonna dress him up and take a selfie. Are you gonna really wear those jeans? Because if not,
Yeah, we'll wear them.
I thought about you guys. I thought about you and I thought I was trying. That's how clear won't wear you. These are pretty white pants. I wore them for a few seconds, but. Who? She's not.
Huh?
She's already.
No, she's not. She's only acting that way because I told her.
What do you think?
We're
You
not-
pretend to be Cynthia's friend.
No, I told her.
No?
I
What?
told her not to be disrespectful to none of my friends.
Oh, that's cool. But that's cool though. These are not hiding anything, you know? Or, you know what I mean?
Look how we hiding.
Same thing.
So you want me to hide nothing? Not with no one.
Doesn't it sound slow, dude? Like it's going a little slow. I gotta fix the settings. It is slow. Okay, get it. Streaming on it, but it's super fucking high quality. Stream quality. No, high quality. Down to high quality. What happened? Give me music. Okay. Give me that.